Yeah, good evening. Yesterday given interface introduction. What is interface? Once again, it is a collection of public static final variables and public abstract methods. Okay. Interface is a collection of public static final variables and public abstract methods. See, class is a collection of variables and methods. Any type of variable, any type of method. But interface is collection of public static final variables and public abstract methods. All variables are implicitly public static final and all methods are implicitly public abstract. Okay. Interface itself implicitly abstract. Interface itself implicitly abstract only, not public abstract, only abstract. Okay. Say file, open, say interface A. Okay. Integer some x equal to 10. This is which type of variable? Instance variable or class variable? Class variable, no. So, but where is static? Implicitly static. Implicitly static. Okay. Can we change the value of x? Can we change? Why we cannot change? Final. Where is final? Implicitly final. Can we access this variable outside the package? Yes. But where is public? Implicitly public. That's what we can. Okay. Now, void show. Is it concrete method or abstract method? Abstract method. Is it valid or not invalid? It is valid abstract method. But abstract keyword required, no? Implicitly abstract. That's what valid. Okay. Now, can we create object to interface? Can we create? No, because it is abstract interface. It is abstract interface. We cannot create object. Can we insert into a class? Which keyword we use? Implements. Can we insert into another interface? Which keyword we use? Extends. Okay. Now, I'll insert class B implements A. Now, whenever interface is inherited into a class, that point also given. Whenever interface is inherited into a class, then what we have to do? All methods must be overridden or subclass must be declared with abstract keyword. Any one we have to do. If you don't do, error. See, file, save. If I compile, see, if I compile Java C B.Java, Java C B.Java. Now, see, B is not abstract and does not override show in A. So, what system saying? This is not declared as abstract and this is not overridden. That means what system saying? Either override this method or declare this class as abstract. Suppose if I declare as an abstract, will it compile? Yes or no? Yes, it will compile. See, it will compile. But can we create object to B class? No. Again, you have to inherit. At last, you have to override this method. Otherwise, no use. Okay. Compulsory, we have to override. Abstract method must be overridden. Compulsory. Either in B class or C class or D class, at last you have to override. Okay. So I'll remove this abstract. I'll override. Void show. Open brace, close brace. System dot out dot println something show method. That's it. Now I'll ask some questions. Give me answer. Is it valid overriding or invalid overriding? Valid overriding or invalid overriding? Just 1 minute, wait. Or invalid overriding? Valid or invalid? Think yourself and give right answer, whatever it may be, whatever you know. Valid or invalid? Overriding, everything you studied, no? About overriding. About overriding, complete you studied. With that knowledge, give answer. Is it valid overriding or invalid overriding? 1 minute. How many people answer valid? Just raise your hand. Okay. Now, how many people answer valid? Not valid, invalid. Just raise your hand. Online students also. So, invalid, few members selected. Majority valid. Majority valid. Okay. Majority people selected valid. Next majority no answer. Okay. Last invalid. Those who given invalid. Those who given invalid. Why it is invalid? What is it? Why public? Why public? What is it? Public void. Here public you are asking. Why? Class should be abstract. No, that is the wrong answer. Next. Here void show should be public. Why? Where is public? Here. Here implicitly public. That's what here public required. You studied no overriding rule. Overriding rule. In superclass public is there. In subclass what we have to write? Public we have to write. In superclass protected is there? Subclass protected valid, public valid. Superclass default is there? Default protected public. Superclass private is there? Overriding not possible. Here which access modifier is there? Public is there. Here which access modifier is there? Default. But is it valid? Public is there. What we have to write? It should be public. It should be public. Got it? Overriding rule. It is not interface rule. Overriding rule. Already over no overriding rule. But in superclass public is there. In superclass or super interface public is there. Public required. It can have same access modifier or less restrictive access modifier. That rule you studied, no? So in superclass public is there. In superclass public is there. Subclass public only valid. Superclass protected is there. Protected valid, public valid. Superclass default is there. Default valid, protected valid, public valid. Superclass private is there. Overriding is not possible. Now, here in superclass, nothing but super interface. What is there? Public. Where is public? Implicitly public. Then here, what we required? Public only required. Here is it implicitly public? No, it is default. So that's what compulsory public you ought to write. Suppose if I don't write public, will it compile? No. See, file, save. If I compile, see what we are getting. Show in B cannot implement show in A. Attempting to assign weaker access privileges was public. This is only in simple English I given. Okay. Attempting to assign weaker access privileges was public. So here actually it is weaker, public. It should be less. Here less is there. Here more is there. Here less required. Okay. That is only here we are getting error message. Attempting to assign weaker access privileges was public. It was public. This was public. But here default. It is nothing but more restrictive. That is error we are getting. This is only in simple English what I given. It can have same access modifier or less restrictive access modifier. I given notes. Here public is there. Here what is required? Public only required. Then only valid. Okay. So if I write public, it will compile. File, save. Compilation. See, compile no? Now, here I'll write one variable. Integer y equal to 20. Here I'll write one method. Void print. System.out.println print method. All right. Now, this is which type of variable? Instance variable or class variable or local variable? It is instance variable. Okay. This is class variable. This is. But how do you know this is instance variable? This is class variable. This is instance variable. Here interface implicitly static. Here it is class. Okay. It is class variable. It is instance variable. Now what I'll do, see, public static void main string args. Here system.out.println a.x. Is it valid or not valid? A.x. A.x. Is it valid or not valid? Valid or not valid? Valid. Because x is which type of variable? Class variable. How many ways to access? 4 ways. What are those? Directly, class name, object, object reference. How many ways not recommended? 2 ways. What are those? Object and object reference. When we can use directly? Same class. When we have to use class name? Another class. So it is A, interface. But interface also one dot class file created in Java. Nothing but it is like a class type concept only. Now A.x we can write valid. Okay. Now system.out.println b.y. Is it valid? b.y. Is it valid? Not valid. Why? It is instance variable. We cannot access by using class name. Compulsory object required. Object required. Okay. B.ob equal to new B. System.out.println ob.y. Is it valid? Yes. Now A.show. Is it valid? A.show. A.show. Is it valid or not valid? A.show. Valid or not valid? Think yourself and you answer. Take your own time. Now A.show valid or not valid? A dot show valid or not valid. What is it? Not valid. Sure. Valid. Now, how many people answer valid? Next, how many answer not valid? So still some more people in dilemma. Whether valid or not valid, they don't know. Now, those who given not valid, those who given not valid, why it is not valid? What then? It is abstract. Next, defined in B class. So defined. Now, why A we cannot write? Definition not in A. Suppose definition in A, is it valid? It is instance method or class method? Well, instance method means object required. That's what not valid. That instance method or class method? Instance method or class method? Instance method. This is static. This is non-static. That's the reason class name you cannot write. Object required. So it's an error. Not valid. Because this is static. This is non-static. Static members only you can call with class name or interface name. Is it static? No. Is it static? Yes. Here for this one, okay, otherwise I'll write here. Implicitly what will be here? Public, static, final. Here implicitly what will be there? Public, abstract. Is there any static? No. Static is there, valid. It is non-static. It is non-static. Okay. Compulsory object required to call this show method. Okay. So implicitly like this. Okay. Now, if you write also no difference. If you remove also no difference. It is instance method overridden here. With this reference, you can access ob.show, ob.print. Now, file, save, compilation, execution. Okay, write this one. over. Suppose if I write like this, A OB1 equal to new A. Is this line valid according to this program? Is it valid? No. Why it is not valid? Interfaces cannot be instantiated. Not possible. Okay. Suppose B OB2 equal to new B. Is it valid? Yes. System dot out dot println OB2 dot X. Is it valid? Yes or no? Yes, we can write system dot out dot println OB2 dot Y. Is it valid? Yes. OB2 dot show. Valid. OB2 dot print. Valid. Now, third one. AOB3 equal to new B. Is it valid? Yes. System dot out dot println OB3 dot X. Valid. System dot out dot println OB3 dot Y. Valid? Not valid because it belongs to B. Now OB3 dot show. Valid? Sure? Because that is overriding method. Belongs to superclass. Okay? Now OB3 dot print. Not valid. That it belongs to B. AOB4. BOB4 equal to new A. Is it valid? Not valid. Okay. So this is not valid. These all valid. Okay. It is valid. It is valid. It's an error. It is valid. It's an error. It is not valid. Right is all. Any doubts are there in this program? Clear no? Doubt is there? What's your doubt? Class B? I didn't get your question. What's your doubt? I didn't understand. Class B? Class B? Class B implements A. Abstract you are asking. Class B defined. Explain you are asking. Okay. Complete program will explain it. Okay. See. Is it over? This all written? See. See. Okay, once again I'll explain. Listen. Notes already updated up to today class. I given notes in a Google Classroom. See. Here. Running notes also not done because in a Google Classroom, what are the PDF files I given? More examples are not there. Less number of examples are there. That's what running notes also not done. See. Here. A is a interface. Interface contains only public static final variables, public abstract methods. Here, by default public static final. Here, by default public abstract. This interface itself abstract. We cannot create object. Compulsory we have to insert. Implements A. For inserting interface in a class, we use implements. Now this is instance variable. This method I overridden here. It is another method. Now this variable belongs to A interface. This method belongs to A interface. This variable belongs to B class. But this method belongs to A interface. Because this method only overridden here. So that is belongs to A. Now print belongs to B. Now if we create first combination A OB equal to new A, that is error because interfaces cannot be instantiated. But if we create B OB equal to new B, all we can access because subclass object if we create, subclass reference if we create, all we can access. But problem is this one only. A OB equal to new B. If you write what will happen? We can access only A members. B members not possible. A members means what we can access? X we can access. Show we can access. Y if you access error. Print if you access error. So this is only confusion. And suppose if you write B OB equal to new B, we can access all we can access. But A OB equal to new B if you write, you can access only A members. A members nothing but X. Show. This show we can access. Okay. Y if you call error. Print if you call error. Clear now? Now this is interface usage. But why do we need interface? Why do we need abstract class? Why abstract method? Not completed. You have to wait. Okay. Today only you'll understand. Now, note down next point. Java compiler generates dot class file for interfaces also. Java compiler generates dot class file for interfaces also. So dot class file not only for class, for interface also dot class file generated. Dot class file generated for every interface. Java compiler generates dot class file for interfaces also. Now next concept, see. You have seen class A, class B. If you want to inherit, which keyword we use? A is a class, B is a class. Which keyword? Extends. Okay. Second one. Interface A, class B. Which keyword we use? Implements. Now, why they given like this? You observe. A is a class which contains some features. You are adding some more features. You are extending. It contains some features. You are adding some more features. That's what extends. Now, interface A, class B. Here also you can add extra features, but first implementation compulsory. What are the features are available in interface? Those methods compulsory we have to override. No, compulsory you have to override. That means you are implementing. That is the reason implements keyword. But not only implementing, additional features also you can add. Suppose just now you have seen show method overridden, but additional method print also written. No, possible. But implementation first compulsory, later adding. That is the reason implements keyword they given. So interface methods compulsory we have to override in class. That is the reason word implements they given. Okay. Suppose third one, interface A, another interface B. Which keyword? Extends. Because interface contains some abstract methods. You are adding some more abstract methods. Because in interface, again abstract method only can write. But the Java 8 feature later I'll explain. That is concrete method also I can write. Java 8. Now, interface contains some methods. You are adding some more abstract methods to interface. So, that's what extends keyword. Now, fourth one, class A, interface B. Think yourself, give answer. Think yourself and give answer. Not possible. Okay. Any other? Implements. One more, extends. So all completed, all answers. See, here, class, same, extending. Interface, same, extending. Is it same? No, extends not possible. Okay, not same. Interface features you are implementing in class. Class features can you implement in interface? No. That's what this combination is not possible. It's illegal. But in interview, what they'll ask is, here what we have tried, they'll ask. Few students will give extends, few students will give implements. But actually that is not possible. Okay? It is valid, it is valid, it is not valid, it is not valid. So, note, interface cannot be inherited in a class. Class cannot be inherited in interface. Class cannot be inherited in interface. Class cannot be inherited in interface. Write it down. Class cannot be inherited in interface. Only concrete methods? No, we can write both. We can write only concrete also. Then what is the use of abstract? You have to wait. I'll explain. Third one, we cannot override. You are adding some more abstract methods. Is it over? Class cannot be inherited in interface. Class cannot be inherited in interface. So class inherited in another interface, another class extends. Interface inherited in class implements. Interface inherited in interface extends. But here not possible. Is it over? Fourth one, why it is not possible? Explain no. If same is there, extends. Same is there. Class extends. Interface extends. You are adding some more. That's what extends. Extending. Okay. But implements means it should allow to override, but it will not allow. Interface does contains only abstract method, no? That's what implements also not possible. That's what this combination is illegal. Okay. See once again. See, here some features are there. Concrete methods. You are adding some more. That is extending. Here some features are there. Abstract methods. You are adding some more. Extending. So, class contains variables methods. Here class contains variable methods. You are adding some more. That is extending. Here also abstract method you are extending. You are adding. But here features of interface you must implement. Overriding compulsory, no? That's what implements keyword. But here implement also not possible because it doesn't allow. It allows only abstract. Extend means it should be same, not same. That's what this combination is illegal. Error comes. Okay. Class cannot be inherited in interface. That point remember enough. Now, why interfaces are introduced? See, next write it. Interfaces are introduced in Java to achieve multiple inheritance. Interfaces are introduced in Java to achieve multiple inheritance. Interfaces are introduced in Java to achieve multiple inheritance. Here, for example, it's a class, it's a B class, it's a C class. Assume classes. This is multiple inheritance, no? Suppose here A class, it is B class, it is C class. Here show method is there. Here also show method is there. Here also show method is there. Here C OB equal to new C. OB dot show. If I call, this is going to be called. Suppose here show method not there. Then what will happen? ambiguity comes. I explained already. So if the method is present in C class, it's okay. Not there, problem comes. That's what this concept removed. OB.show means first it is search in C class, not there. Then it will search in superclass. How many superclasses? 2 superclasses. Both are having equal priority. Okay, but if it is like this, it is different. This is which inheritance? Multi-level inheritance. Suppose year A, year B, year C. Now year also show, year also show, year also show. Now if I create C OB equal to new C, OB dot show, which is called C class called. Suppose in C class not there, then what will happen? B class. B also not there, A class. Like that works. But problem is here, because both are having equal priority. It is also superclass, it is also superclass. Both are equal priority, same level is there. It is different level. That's what B class, not there A class. I given best example. It's like a mother, it's like a father. Select one means, can you select? Mother, father, equal. Okay. Your father, grandfather. You'll give priority father. Okay. Your father, grandfather. First you'll give priority to father only. But your mother, father, equal priority. Like that. That's what this is not possible, I said. Okay. But it is possible with interfaces. How? Suppose here also show, here also show. It is interface, it is interface. Interface, what it contains? Abstract method. That method you have to override now here. That's what called. What happened? Here interface, here interface. These two show methods are there. But here how many show methods you can write? One only. That is called. Suppose it is class, it is interface. This method you have to override no? That is what. That is called. That's what possible. With interfaces possible. With classes not possible. It is interface. It is interface. This show method will override here. That is going to be called. And it is class. It is interface. Again, this show method will override. That is called. But how syntaxes appears? I'll give multiple inheritance syntaxes. Suppose A is a class, B is a class. Any relationship is there? No. Interface C, interface D. Any relationship is there? No. All are individual. A class, B class, C interface, D interface, individual. Now I'll give syntaxes here, examples. Class demo extends A class, extends B class. It is error. Two classes cannot be inherited. It's an error. Class demo implements C comma D. It is valid. C, what is C? Interface. What did D? Two interfaces can be inherited. Okay. Now, class demo extends A, implements C. It is valid. What is A? Class. What is C? One class, one interface possible. Next. Class demo extends A, implements C comma D. Valid. One class, two interface also valid. Class one only. Interface n number of. Because interface contains abstract method, you'll override. Now, interface demo extends C, extends D. Valid. Both are interfaces inherited in another interface. Okay, it is valid. Only one concept, two classes we cannot inherit. Remaining all valid. Two classes we cannot inherit. Remaining all valid. Write this one. Two classes cannot be inherited. Two interfaces can be inherited. One class, one interface. One class, many interfaces. That is all valid. Class cannot be inherited. But C and D, what are these? Interfaces. Which one? First one. Class demo extends A comma B. Two classes. A nothing but class. B nothing but class. C nothing but interface. D nothing but interface. Two classes cannot be inherited at a time. Multiple inheritance not possible with classes. Multiple. These all multiple only. All multiple. Yes, where it is inherited? Show me. Which one? Class demo extends. No, this is not inherited. This is what with this third one. Which one? Third one. Now in demo class, A class inherited, C interface inherited. In demo class, A class inherited, C interface inherited. Class cannot be inherited in interface. Where it is that? It is not there. Where it is? Show me. Now, A and B inherited in demo. What is A and B? Classes. It is error. C and D inherited in demo. Interfaces inherited in demo is a class. Here interfaces inherited. Here one class, one interface inherited. Here one class, two interfaces inherited. Here interfaces inherited in another interface. It is another interface, last one. Third one. Third one, what is there? Third one. Okay, diagram I'll write. You are getting confusion. Multiple this is, not multi-level. The syntax like that only. Syntax like that only. That's what syntax I given. Now, here what I given? Third one, demo. It is demo. It is demo. Extends A. It is A. Implement C. It is C. It is class. It is interface. It is class. Now, what I said, class cannot be inherited in interface. But what is class inherited? Class only. Interface inherited in class only. Syntax like that only. Class demo extends A, implement C. Demo class extends A. Demo class only implements C. Got it? Multi-level means one more line you have to write. Like that, not possible continuation. Multi-level means One more line also you have to write. Class A, class B extends A, class C extends B. One more line you have to write. That is multi-level. These all multiple only. These all multiple only. Now, in first one, A is a class, B is a class. Where it is denoted? Demo class. Error. Two classes cannot be denoted. Now, second line. What is C and D? Interfaces. Where it is denoted? Demo. Two interfaces denoted in demo. Valid. Third one, this is A class denoted, C interface denoted. Okay. Fourth one, A class denoted, C and D two interfaces denoted. Where it is denoted? C and D? In demo only, not in A. Not in A. Here, C and D denoted in demo. But what is demo here? Interface. Two interfaces in another interface possible. Like that also. It is also multiple. These all syntaxes multiple or multi-level? Multiple only. Multi-level means one more line also you have to write. Okay. Now, suppose, is it over? Suppose class A, class B, class C. This is which type? What is? Multi-level. It is multi-level. Okay. That means like this. A inverted in B, B inverted in C. Multi-level. Suppose it is A. This is which type? You think diagram. You think diagram will get answer. What is that? Hierarchical. A inverted in B, A inverted in C. Diagram. It is A, it is B, it is C. It is hierarchy, no? That's what diagrams are given. Starting all diagrams are given, no? Starting all diagrams are given. Okay? Right. Now I'll ask one question, give me answer. Class A, is it concrete class or abstract class? What is it? Concrete class. This is abstract class. This is concrete interface or abstract interface? Abstract interface. So this is abstract interface. Okay. That means not three. Now you have to listen with concentration, you'll understand. See, A class, it is B class, C class, C interface, D interface. These two same, no change. These two same. Okay. Here implicitly abstract. Now, I'll ask some questions, give me answer. Questions different angle, answers over, already notes also over. Okay. Now, I want to write only concrete methods. I want to write only concrete methods. Is it possible here? Yes or no? Yes. Here, only concrete methods. Yes or no? Yes. Abstract class can have only concrete methods also. Now, here, no. So, If you want to write only concrete methods, first one possible, second one also possible. Which one you will select? Which one you will select? First one. What is the problem with second one? No, possible, no? What is the problem with second one? Objects cannot be created. Object we cannot create, no? That is the reason, select first one. Clear? Now, I want to write only abstract methods. Is it possible in first one? No. Second one? Third one? Yes or no? Which one will select? Second or third? Second or third? Second or third? Fourth one, not there, no? That is also equal. Now, first one here, I want to write only abstract methods. It is not possible. Here possible, here possible. Which one you will select? Third. What is the problem with second one? Object, this one also you cannot create. Object you cannot create here also. Which one? Second one also compulsory you have to implement. Abstract methods you have to implement, no? Now, I want to write only abstract methods. First one not possible. Second one possible. Third one possible. But which one you will select means you selected third one. Okay, you selected third one. What is the problem with second one? Think yourself, answer comes. Their abstract keyword you have to write. So your abstract keyword no need to write. That is not the answer. Any other? Okay, here implicitly abstract, there explicitly you have to write, no? Here? Here? Public required, that's what. Those are not considered. Implicitly, all those things not considered. Next. Think, you'll get answer. Take your own time. But you answer. Here already 9 members given answer online. This is Aryan Gowda, right? Multiple inheritance. Not possible, no? With abstract class, multiple inheritance possible? That's what interface. Okay? So, if you use second one, multiple inheritance not possible. With this third one, multiple inheritance possible. That is the reason third one we have to select. Got it? Now, I want to write both. Now, first one, is it possible? I want to write both. No. Second one? Possible. Third one? No. Then which one? There is no other option. Compulsory second one only. Now, if you want to write only concrete method, use first one. If you want to write only abstract method, use third one. If you want to write both, second one. Okay? That is the reason 3 concepts. But first of all, abstract word we are writing. What is the use of abstract? Okay? Write this one. Next point. Abstract method allows to declare a method in abstract class or interface. Abstract method allows to declare a method in abstract class or interface and allows to define its subclasses. Abstract method allows to declare a method in abstract class or interface and allows to define in its subclasses. Abstract method allows to declare a method in abstract class or interface and allows to define in its subclasses. Suppose one best example to understand. Suppose it's a A is on class. Okay. Otherwise, this class name is Java. Okay. This class name is Java. Now, this class name is Oracle. This class name is MySQL. This class name is DB2. These are databases. Okay. Now there are hundreds of databases. Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL Server, DB2, Derby, FoxPro, Sybase, DBase, so many databases are there. Hundreds of databases are there. Okay. Now here, suppose this is Java like a one interface. Assume interface or abstract class. Interface or abstract class. Assume it is abstract class or interface. It contains some methods. Suppose connect method. Okay, some methods, just understanding purpose. Okay, understanding purpose. Connect method, create method, insert method, some methods. Assume. Okay, like this, some methods. Now, these are all abstract methods. These are all abstract methods. Now, this Java interface I'll inherit in Oracle class. Is it compulsory to write these three methods? Yes. Compulsory, we have to write. Connect, create, insert. Okay, some methods. I'll inherit in MySQL class. Is it compulsory to inherit? Yes. Again, connect, insert, create. Like this. Is it compulsory to inherit in DB2? Is it compulsory to override? Yes, because inherited. No. Connect, create, insert. No. These are assumed like a classes. Names are given, database names, classes. Okay. These are nothing but now concrete methods. All concrete methods. These are concrete classes. Now suppose Java is an interface or abstract class which contain three abstract methods. It is inherited in Oracle class. It is inherited in MySQL class. It is inherited in DB2 class. While inheriting these methods, compulsory we have to override. Now, assume it is Java is a application. Oracle is a database. MySQL is database. It's already database only. Okay. Now it's Java is a application. Oracle is a database. MySQL is a database. DB2 is a database. Java program you can connect to any database. Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, DB2, Derby, FoxPro, anything. Now, Java people, they given some abstract classes, some interfaces. Java people, they given abstract methods also. Same methods implemented in Oracle. Same methods implemented in MySQL. Same methods implemented in DB2. But definitions different. This is Oracle purpose, Oracle related. MySQL purpose, MySQL related. DB2 purpose, DB2 related. They implemented. Assume if these names are not declared. Assume names are not declared. Then what will happen? Oracle people, they'll write their own methods. MySQL people, they'll write their own methods. DB2 people, they'll write their own methods. If names are not declared, then what will happen? Java with Oracle, if you want to learn, set of methods different. Java with MySQL, again set of methods different. Java with DB2, one more. Then what will happen? While learning database courses, Java with Oracle, one course. Java with MySQL, one more course. Java with DB2, one more course. Then how many applications you learn? Now, with this interface, you take any database, Java program, same. Because same methods will be there everywhere. Method body not required to you. Actually, what we are doing now, abstract method we are writing, interface we are writing, class we are writing, subclass we are writing, we are overriding, we are creating object we are calling. Further, you are not going to write abstract class, you are not going to write interface, you are not going to override. Already done. You have to create object, you have to call the method. This type of abstract method is given by Sun Microsystem company. This type of method definitions given by database vendors. Now, Java program, if you want to connect to Oracle database, same Java program. Java program, if you want to connect to MySQL also, Java program is same. Java program DB2 also, program same. Reason, all the places same methods are there. No? If names are not declared, assume names are not declared, then is it compulsory to write those methods? No, not declared. These names are not declared. These people, they can write their own methods. If they write their own methods, again, while learning Oracle, that category methods you have to learn. While learning MySQL, one more category methods. While learning DB2, one more category. Now, with this concept only, Java for Oracle also same. Java for MySQL also same. Java for DB2 also same. That is the benefit. I think you understood. Clear? So, Java program, if you want to connect to Oracle, Java program, if you want to connect MySQL, hundreds of databases are there. One database if you learn, enough. Any Java programs, any database, Java program is same. That purpose interface concept. Names declared, abstract method concept. Names declared, compulsory you have to override that method only. Otherwise, you can write your own method. Otherwise, you'll write your own method. Then Java with Oracle one course, Java with MySQL one course, Java with DB2 one course. Suppose you learn Java with Oracle, you'll join in a company. They'll give MySQL. Again, you have to come to Amerbit. Again, Java with MySQL, one more course you have to learn. But after joining in the company, if they give other database also, Java code same, no? That is the benefit with interfaces. Got it? So, actually in real time, this interface given by Sun Microsystem, this class given by Oracle, creating object, calling method is, that is we are writing. And that is advanced Java onwards, you'll understand. But in core Java only, where we use, many doubts comes. Theoretically explained now. But when it comes, advanced Java JDBC. That is JDBC topic, like that only. Java with Oracle also, Java with MySQL also, Java with DB2 also, same program will be there. That is the benefit. If names are not declared, you will write your own methods. Different database companies, different methods they'll write. Then who will face the problem? Java programmer will face the problem. That is the reason, this concept. So, abstract method allows to declare and in superclass and allows to define its subclasses. Nothing but past it was declared. Present you are defining. or present you are declaring, future you are going to define. Now already Sun Microsystem company declared those methods overridden by database companies. Suppose there are 100 databases are there. You want to develop your own database and you want to give a permission to Java to connect. Then what you have to do? Same methods you have to override. Otherwise they won't give permission also. You have to take the permission from Sun Microsystem. Then what will happen? Already names declared. Those names only you have to write. So in future any new database comes, one ABC database from XYZ company comes, then those people also they must write same names. Reason? Abstract methods. Only names are given by Sun Microsystem. Implementation done by database companies. Okay. Even if you don't understand also nothing will happen. In advanced Java class you'll understand. Okay. This is the concept of abstract. Those who didn't understand also in advanced Java class you'll get a more clarity. That's what while learning core Java where we use in a real time, where we use in real time means confusion will be there. That's what you'll understand further sessions. If names are not declared, they will write their own methods. Okay. In further sessions it comes, then you'll understand. Those who didn't understand also, no need to worry about that. But how to write interface, how to write abstract class, how to write abstract method over, no? That is enough. Clear? We'll see continuation tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see continuation. See, inheritance completed, polymorphism completed, abstraction completed. Tomorrow encapsulation. Encapsulation. Those who didn't understand also, no need to worry about this. Further you'll understand. It is nothing. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see continuation. That is those who didn't, no need to worry. No need to worry. Okay.